Now let's talk about our community and how the Arizona Small Business Association is teaming up with the Red Cross, all for a good cause. And here to share more is Catherine and Denise with ASBA. Thank you two for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
Okay, so let's just get right to it. So tell us about your most recent initiative in which you've partnered with the Red Cross.
Yes, well, first of all, the Arizona Small Business Association truly is a community that's engaged and committed to working with small business owners throughout Arizona, but also outside of our area where there's a need. So we have partnered with the Red Cross to help those that have suffered through the hurricane season on the East Coast and help them to get back on their feet. The individuals, the customers, the people that live there, but the small businesses as well as a result, so that we can help improve the economy.
Okay, so I thank you for breaking that down for us. So it's been a week, like you said, since Hurricane Helene and Hurricane Milton caused such a massive destruction, especially in Florida and the Carolinas. So what is the biggest need for those regions today?
Well, of course, financial donations are needed, supplies, but one of the biggest things they need is really boots on the ground. They're looking for people who can volunteer, who can go to these areas and help them get back on their feet. And the Red Cross can help you do that.
Okay. And so that's why you partner with them, because it's
Correct.
so important for them to have that help over there.
Absolutely.
In those areas. Okay, so the Arizona Small Business Association has its annual event, the Big Thank You, coming up next week. So what is the Big Thank You and how does the Red Cross play a part in that?
Yeah, thanks for asking. So the Big Thank You is our signature, one of our signature events we do every year. It'll be November 14th from 5 to 7 p.m. and it's actually at the National Bank of Arizona headquarters.
Okay.
And basically it's a way for any small business member, advocate, anybody that wants to start a business, anything like that, can come on down, have a drink on us, and basically network, hang out. There will be a small award ceremony for some of our longest members, things of that nature. And honestly, it's just a good time. It's a good time to support your local community. It's a good time to support your local businesses. And how the Red Cross is tying into that is they will have a table there and they'll be taking volunteers and they'll also be taking donations as well. So we're happy to host them and we're happy to have an amazing partner with them as well.
So that's a great way for people to get involved, right? Maybe they've seen all the disasters happening on television or the news and they're like, how can I get involved? How can I help? Well, they can do it at your big event because the table will be there with Red Cross, right?
Right, and they can also go to our website at asba.com and learn more there as well.
Yeah, and how they can contribute and help people get back on their feet. Okay, so back to the event, how can small businesses get involved with the Big Thank You?
Absolutely. So if you visit asba.com/BTY, big thank you. You'll be able to register for free. It is a free event. We welcome anybody and everybody who, once again, is a small business advocate, wants to start a small business, is a small business owner, things of that nature. And basically just come on down and hang out with us.
Okay, so you mentioned like if they're wanting to start a business, so that's for those that are like interested but they're not sure how to go about it or what to do, they can get help at this event?
Yeah, we have some resources there. We have some amazing partners. 12 News, funny enough, you guys will be there. So if you want to learn about some digital marketing aspects side of that, they do offer that. So you can go and talk to the 12 News team there. We have, let's see, who else is going to be there? I believe, oh my gosh.
Tons of companies, right? Tons of companies.
Yeah. Very diverse group.
Yeah.
So depending on what kind of avenue you want to take in developing a small business and starting a small business, there's all kinds of resources that can help get you there from the very beginning to opening those doors for the first time.
Yeah, I like that. This is a great event because it's always like who you know, right? It's who you know, and so this is a great networking event for people to come together, get some more information, and just really thrive in what they're trying to do, and also give back to the community and get some more information about the Red Cross. So I think this is a perfect event. So when somebody walks in, I know there's some people that get a little intimidated, right? They're like, okay, this sounds like a huge event. I'm going to walk in with a bunch of people. Like, tell them what to expect so they're not scared.
Yeah, honestly, every small business owner that I've ever met at one of these events is so friendly, so welcoming, and they want to tell you about their business and how they can also help other community members as well. So if you are someone that's looking to start a business or wanting to get involved in the small business community, this is a great place to start. Everybody's just so welcoming and warm, and honestly, it's just a great time to celebrate, once again, your small business community at this place. So
perfect.
Feel free to network, feel free to have fun, feel free to just like interact and introduce yourself. Everybody is very, very welcoming. So.
And I think also with the Red Cross and partnering with them, the small business community was so impacted because they're the heart of a lot of these smaller rural towns that were affected by the hurricane. So by supporting the people there, we're supporting the businesses, and again, we're helping them get back on their feet.
That is great. All right, ladies, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon and sharing all that information, and have fun at the event.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
And if you want to learn more, go ahead and visit that website there on your screen.